the status bar at the bottom of my user interface, we have some tools which helps me for accuracy of my drawings. When you are drawing, if it is necessary, we will make off or on of these tools, and we can easily turn them on or off from these shortcuts. If I hold my cursor on these tools, it shows me what is it, and also it gives me the shortcuts for turning them off or on. And here we have snap mode. The shortcut is F9, and grid display. And here, as you see, if the squares are blue, the color is blue, it means that that option is on now. We can use that option. And if the color is gray, it means that currently that is off. We cannot use that option now. Now we are gonna to investigate which of these tools will commonly use when we are drawing something. Firstly, I will change my drawing window's color to white, and you can visually see the difference before. And now my first one is infer constraints, like here. This one will generally turn it off unless you doing parametric drawing. My snap and grid mode will change my drawing window display. If I click on grid, our paper will be covered by squares, like as you see. Now grid is off, and I will make it open now. Yes, as you see, my paper covered by squares. If you right click and here, if you right click and choose the settings, here I have drafting settings dialog box, and here you can easily see my grid is on, and here I have my grid spacing. Now here I am making this snap feature on, and now I am changing my grid spacing to 5, and here I am using tab button to also make the Y accent 5, and here in snap spacing I am also making this 5. Yes, when I click OK button, as you see, my grid has changed. Now if I enter line command, when I start drawing, as you see, yes, this is so far, so I will use zoom command. I'm writing zoom and writing all, and also you can use the scroll button to make zoom like this. Yes, now as you see, I will enter line commands, and now my cursor is moving just one part of square. So if I draw something from here, as you see, like this, it will test each square one by one. And also, if you need, you can close the grid or snap from here. In here, if you open the grid and close the snap, you can draw until this point or wherever you want. But if I open the snap mode, as you see, my cursor cannot draw the middle of this line because it will pass a length of one square. And you can see I am snapping every 5 units when starting from here, 5, 10 and you see, yes, it's like that. Now I'm deleting these lines. My next tool is Ortho Mode. When I open the Ortho Mode and enter line command, as you see, your line will go straight horizontally or vertically. The Ortho Mode is useful when I drawing 90 degrees corners or drawing structure which has horizontally or vertically has lines. My next tool is Polar Tracking. Polar Tracking is like a Ortho Mode, but in Polar Tracking we have the angle options. When you right click this one, you can see the angles, and also if you want to add another angle, click settings, and here additional angles, you can add new one, for example a 53 degree angle. Yeah, when you click OK button, now here right click and you can see the 53 in here. Now here 45 and 53 is active now. Yeah, enter line command, and when I start drawing, as you see, we have the angles and we reach the 45 or 53. Yes, the polar tracking feature is lock the line in here, and you can draw the line with a 53 degree. Now, my next drawing tool is Object Snap. Object Snap is important drawing tool because it allows me to snap or to attach lines to other lines that I have already drawn. As you see, when I right click on Object Snap, it shows me which object snaps are currently active. Now we can attach to endpoints, midpoints, and another thing. Yes, now here I enter line command. When I draw a line like this, and now Object Snap shows me to draw another line from the end of the first line, like this. And also, for example, I started to draw from here. I want to finish my line at the end of this line. So, you can see the green box, the end of the line. When you hold your cursor in here and bring it to right, yes, on this line, you can put it to end of that line. And also in here, if I want to draw from here to end of this line, yes, as you see, I can draw like this. Now, which is perpendicular to my first line. So in here, press Ctrl button and right click on here and choose perpendicular. When you choose this one, on this or this line, you can see the perpendicular symbol and you can draw a line perpendicular to these lines, like this. And also, if I want to draw a line from here to midline of this midpoint of this line, when I right click, firstly press the shift or control button and right click on this, I'm choosing the midpoint, and as you see, the triangle shows the midpoint of this line, like this. Yes. The ortho mode is very important because it helps to draw our lines with a great accuracy, because we cannot decide the accuracy of drawings with our eyes. My next tool is in here 3D object snap, which I won't use when I drawing in 2 dimensions. My next important tool is here object snap tracking. When you right click on this and enter settings, you must be sure that object snap tracking on and also object snap on for accuracy of these drawing tools. And now I will draw one rectangular shape. Yes. In here, right click on this and enter settings. I will open the midpoint feature from here. Now enter line command. When you bring your cursor to here, you can see the endpoint of these lines and also you can see the midpoint of these lines, because I have activated it. Now here, bring your cursor down or upward. From here, you can see the tracking line. Now enter line command and I want to draw a circle to the center of this rectangle. So enter circle command and here, look from here and also from right or left side. Now you can see the tracks of these 2 lines and the intersection of these 2 lines. You can place your center. When you put it to here, you can draw your circle. Yes, it is in the center of the rectangle now. Now my next tool is allow or disallow dynamic UCS, which I won't use in two-dimensional drawing. Dynamic input, which I'll use frequently when I drawing. When the dynamic input feature is turned off, when you want to draw a line, you can't see the length of this line. So if I open dynamic input, when I try to draw a line, when you start any of here, this point, when you are drawing, you can notice that it shows us the length of the line. Or here we can see the angle of the line and also length of the line. Now my next tool is here show or hide line weight. When you open this one, now firstly I will change the feature of some of these lines. Now after choosing these lines, this rectangle, right click on here and enter properties, and here we have line weight. I am changing the line weight to 0.60 millimeters, and now when the line weight feature is closed, you can't see the difference between before. But now I am open to show and hide line weight. Yes, as you can see, we changed our line weight and we can see it now. Our last drawing tool is in here, Quick Properties. When the Quick Properties feature is closed, when you choose any of these objects, yes, when you click this, it shows the objects, but now I am turning on the Quick Properties. Now, we didn't enter any of these comments, just I turned on the Quick Properties and I am choosing my objects. When I click this one, it will automatically open the Quick Properties of this object, which shows me, which gives me a short presentation of this object and like color, layer or line type. If I want to close this, I will press the escape button.